Morning, sir.
Fine. Hope everyone is recording these sessions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If not, from now onwards, try to record it. Because Django, you need to watch multiple times to understand that flow. Clear? So I already shared the recorder, Chrome recorder, right? Extension. I have already shared the link. So try to record it. Fine.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
So today I will explain like how to create the project. Okay, and then how to set up the templates, HTML templates initially. Then we will go with the next steps. Okay, first you need to complete the template setup. Then only the page will visible while running the server. It will visible properly. After that only we will create database and other cases. We will do step by step. Fine. So within today or tomorrow, 2 days, take your time. Maximum within today. User panel, admin panel for all the pages. Try to complete that setup. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is my screen visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So I
sir.
have taken, I think, from hospital batch one. I think I forgot the team name. Whose project is this?
Yes, Srikant. Srikant
Srikant
Ganesh.
project, right? Fine. So I have downloaded this thing. So here we are having user panels, admin panels. I didn't use, but anyway, both are same cases only design wise. So what I'm going to do means initially I'm going to create this Django project. Okay, we already know we are going to follow the MVT architecture, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Model view template
Template.
architecture we are going to follow, right? So let me create a project. So we have a command to create the project. Okay, so I have opened the folder. So within that I'm going to create the project. So the command I will execute now. Try to note down the command also, or else if you want you can take the screenshot of the command. Let it load. We'll drink some water. Fine. So the command to create the project, that is the first thing. So you need to understand one case in Django. Inside one single Django project, we can create n number of Django app. Okay, but we need a Django project that is like database. So like you can create this is a common storage project. Is a common storage. Within that common storage, we can create n number of applications. N number of applications we can able to create it. Okay, fine. The command is django hyphen admin. Django hyphen admin space start project. Django hyphen admin start project. Till this static one. Till this in this command it is a static one. Okay. After this we'll be giving a project name. We'll be giving a project name. So the project name can be dynamic one. Any name as per your project things you can able to take that. Okay. For example, this is like hospital, right? I'm just taking it as uh, HSPTL. Okay, HSPTL main. Why I'm just taking it as main in the sense it's a project. So HSPTL main I have just taken it. Okay, so and then execute this command. Just press enter. Automatically you can see the project will be created here. Okay, wait, see and see this folder setup also. It will be created. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Command is executed
It's
successfully.
Yes, sir.
Project folder is
Yes, sir.
created. Okay, you can see this is the main thing. So within this will be folder capital main, and then here we'll be having some list of Python files. Okay, I will tell you what are these Python files later. And then this is like manage.py. This is used to run the server. This file is very much required. Okay, you can open and you can check it. This is the default settings. Okay, sometimes we will change while hosting the application. We'll do some changes here while hosting the application, not now. Okay, this is the default case. It will be created automatically when you're creating the project. Understood? So I will tell you what are these files later on it. Okay, we already know this init everything. So I will tell you what are these files, what are the use of these files, everything later on it, because we need to set up the templates first. Then we will go for these files one by one. Understood, guys? And this settings.py is the main file where we will do all kind of setting changes like connecting of db, connecting of templates folder, connecting of static folder, importing of required modules. Everything we'll be doing within this settings.py file only. Okay, so now we have created the project. Okay, so now we need to create the app. Yes, right? We need to create the app. So where we are going to create the app in the sense within the project. We need to create the app within the project. Yes, right? So we need to go inside this project. So cd space the folder name. Okay, you will be inside this particular folder. Now we need to create the app. We need to create the app. To creating that app, we need to use the command that is like python manage.py, manage.py, which is already there in the project folder. Okay, followed by same start app. Okay, the same like start project, start app. Till this is a static case. Till this in this command it is a static one, followed by app name dynamic one. Okay, so I'm just giving it as hsptl sub. That means app. Just I'm giving the name as sub. Okay, here one app I have created. So press enter, automatically app will be generated. Okay, that means it's a separate folder. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can able to understand these models and views here. Are you able to see here, which we discussed in the previous session? Database related things will be present inside the models, and functionality wise all the cases will be present inside the views. Okay, so urls you will be having here, request by the user, it will come to these urls and then it will trigger the views and then it will connect with the templates as well as database functionalities also. Understood? Setup? Any doubt?
Yes.
No doubts, right?
Yes, sir.
Till now any doubt? I just executed only 2 commands. Okay, I will tell you what are these files and that all later on it. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, what we need to do means we need to create a static folder and template folder. Okay, I will tell you what is a static folder. Static folder means the asset folder. That means CSS file, JavaScript files, images, wherever, whatever the things you are used for your design. Everything will be present inside the static folder. Okay, and then templates folder in the sense the entire HTML files which we are going to use it for our project development. That entire HTML files will be present inside the templates folder only. Okay, so let me create that. So where you can create it is within this particular folder, create new folder called static. You can execute a command also, but directly also you can create it. No need to execute command. Templates. That's it. Static and templates files. Okay, so now I need to register this app. Okay, after creating this app, I need to register it. Where I need to register in the sense within this settings.py file, we'll be having the section called installed apps. We'll be having section called installed apps. So this is default apps which is present inside the Django project. I want to add my own app which is created by me. So I can add it, comma separated. This is list only. Don't think it is different. This is a list only. Are you able to see this? Yes, right? This is list only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I need to mention my app name. That's it. Within the single code, I need to mention my app name. Okay, and then one more import I need to do. So which is like import OS. Why this operating system? Operating system means like in my laptop which operating system is running. So automatically it will import to execute this project. That is very important. So this also you need to do initial itself. Understood? As of now, we just connected the app. Okay, we have not connected the static and template. I will tell you how to connect the static and template later on it. As of now, just we are going to do the static connectivity to the specific templates. Okay, so now give me a minute. Let me share my screen. Okay, so now I'm going to take only this doctor dashboard as of now. Okay, this asset folder. I'm just copying it, and then I'm going to keep it within the static. Okay, asset folder is containing the CSS and JavaScript and images and everything. So the entire thing I'm going to keep it in the inside the static folder. Inside the static folder, you can see the bundles, CSS, fonts, images, JavaScript, everything. Right? It will be present inside the static. Okay, so now go to the specific HTML files. Okay, select all HTML files, copy it, keep it inside the templates folder. Inside the templates folder. Okay, so now you can't able to execute this HTML files directly within this Django project. You can't able to execute this template files directly. That means you can't directly run this in the browser. Okay, so now how we are going to run this? We need to run this project. Okay, so before that we need to connect this HTML files with the CSS files properly. Okay, currently it is in asset folder, CSS and app min.css, like this it is there. Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this particular, okay, now this particular CSS files and asset folder where it is present now in this project.
Static.
Django,
Static,
static
Django and the
Django
statics,
template.
templates.
Static, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Inside
sir.
the static it is
Static.
present. Okay. We can't directly give like this. We can't directly give like this. Okay, so we need to follow the Django procedure. Okay, we need to follow the Django procedure. So here we have a Django procedure called, we have one tag called Jinja tags. We have one tag called Jinja tags. So Jinja tags are used for URL, adding the URLs and adding the static files, loading the static files, and then so many usages Jinja tags. Different Jinja tags also available. Okay, so here the first Jinja tag which we are going to use it like set brackets, percentile symbol, space, put the name called static. Okay, space within the single quotes, because the entire file is quoted with double quotes. Within the single quotes this file will be fetched. Now close that brackets like this. This is what we need to do. So now what automatically what it will do means, when you are running the server Django project, when you are running the Django project, automatically it will check for the static case and then it will go inside the static folder. We need to link it inside this.py. I will tell you later on it. After that only it will go and check in the static folder, and particularly this location it will check. Understood? So you need to
Yes,
add
sir.
this static Jinja tag for all the CSS files, JavaScript files, and images and icons inside your HTML page. Inside your HTML page. Okay. After adding this, you need to add at the top of the page. Okay. Before this HTML tag, you need to add the method called load page static. Okay. So this is very important. Then only it will load. Otherwise, it won't load. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is very important. So as I mentioned earlier, Now onwards, in backend development, no teamwork. You already know, right? We already discussed that. So individually only, everyone, the team coordinators share the complete design file to everyone. If they have not done, don't share it to them. Okay, if they have not worked on the team for design thing cases, don't share it to them. Okay, if they have worked on the team, okay, for designing purpose, they have done some modules, they have done user panels also, then you can share it to them, final file, or else don't share. Okay, who are all not worked in the design part completely, tell their names to me immediately within the after this session. Okay, I need their name list. Understood? Okay, don't think like he is your friend, he is your colleague, don't think like that. I need complete thing. Okay, otherwise I will ask at the end who designed these cases. They will only suffer. Understood? So overall not worked on your design part, tell their names. You can ping me personally also and group also, no issues. I need the name list. Team coordinators, everyone need to share the name list. Fine. So if they worked on it, you can share the complete file or else don't share it. Okay, so now onwards, individually only, everyone going to work on it, this backend programming. Fine.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you
Yes,
should
yes, sir.
complete the static changes maximum by tomorrow. Maximum by tomorrow. Okay, don't take much time.
Okay.
Fine. It won't take much time, only copy pasting work only, but try to complete maximum within tomorrow morning login. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Any help, anything, don't run it anything, just create the project, create the app, add the app in installed apps, and then import the OS and just directly start adding the static cases. Okay, you can add it for user panel files and then admin panel files, everything. Keep all the things inside the HTML templates folder. If you want inside the templates, don't create a subfolders, it won't work. Don't create the subfolder. We can create it later because we need to create it a separate app. As of now, just keep all the modules and then everything. Keep the names properly. Okay, doctor module pages means keep doctor in the suffix. Understood? Or prefix. Clear? Doctor underscore alert. What is this all? Doctor underscore appointment list. Doctor underscore calendar. Like that, keep it is. Okay, don't keep space for file names. Use underscore. Don't use hyphen also. Okay, first keep the page names properly, everyone. Okay, this also don't do it as a teamwork. First keep the file names properly. I want a proper file names with prefix with user panel names. Okay, admin means admin name should be there. Admin underscore dashboard, admin underscore appointment, admin underscore doctor, admin underscore manage doctor. Like that you need to keep the files. Okay, put underscore only, don't put space or hyphen. Clear? This is already I mentioned it, but no one did it properly. Okay, to try to do that and remove these Grisa cases. Still it's there. Design is still pending, changes is still pending means don't touch this Django. If I see at the end if anything is in this issue happen inside the design perspective means I won't allow that the next step. I won't allow the entire team. Understood? I have taken more, like nearly 3 times I have reviewed the design for each teams. Still you are having the issues, still you are having not removed these cases means what can I do for you? We have done design 2 months, 3 months. It's not good thing, right? 3 months we need to complete the entire project, but we did only the design. I won't accept these cases. To try to keep it proper case. Okay, you people are working, you should be keep proper cases. Understood? I want a proper files, only working files. Okay, module files. Don't remove unwanted files, remove unwanted design also, remove unwanted names, content, everything. Keep it properly. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Try
Yes.
to complete tomorrow maximum. Don't take much time. Work extra time. Okay, work extra time after your login also. Try to complete it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Give the name list who are all not worked.